Hello everyone, welcome to Land Packaging Machinery. This is Magic. Today I'm going to introduce you for this big packaging machine for 6 different flavors with jelly with mesh bags. And this machine, it will help you save lots of cost and labor work, and it also be super efficient. Also, this machine is suitable for peanuts, fruits, potatoes, and seashells or other granules with mesh bags. To help you understanding this machine, I will introduce you one by one. Let's start with the vibration tank for counting. As you can see, here shows you 6 set counting bowls for the jelly, and all these counting bowls are set up at the support platform with stainless steel 304. When you start to broadcast, you can only need to pour the jelly into the counting bowl and set up the target amount on the touch ice screen. You can start to packaging. So let me show you more details. As you can see, here shows you 6 set counting bowls for counting, and they are for the vibration for counting. Their size and shapes are depending on the jellies, and they have different size and shapes. When finished counting, the jelly will wire this roll into the feeding hopper for elevator to packaging, and each of bowl have a condenser for the importer. For this one. Okay, and the speed of the vibration tank can also be changed and controlled by this device. The second part is the slope elevator. As you can see, at the beginning, it connects to the 6 set counting bowls for jellies. When finished counting, the jelly will drop into the feeding hopper, and this elevator will help to transfer the jelly into the next process for packaging. On the outside is the electrical feeding hopper controlled by the servo motor. Also, this elevator is controlled by individual electrical boards, and you can set the status and the speed on this touch screen. No jelly, no moving. Here shows you the electrical box. About the elevator, the slope elevator for wide 330 mm also can be customized. And the upside is for stainless steel 304 food grade plastic. Here comes the third part for horizontal packaging machine for model LD 320 with mesh bags. As you can see, after filling, the jelly will wire this mesh channel into the tubes, and the mesh bag will be cut into one by one. When sealing, it will be sealed with the label. And this label machine, you can set the date and the important message on this label. Okay, and for this tubes, the mesh bag is matched to the length of the mesh bag is matched to 120 meters. And the width of this mesh bag is to 480 mm. They all can be customized. Also, on this touch screen, it is smart. You can set the data, the speed, the length of the mesh bag on this touch screen. Also, you can change the model for manual or automatic models. And this is for the emergency portal. For this is the powder button for the whole machine. Here shows you the electrical box. And this is for the PLC. It's the brain of the machine from Schneider of France. And this is for oblong from Japan. Also, this is for the intermediate delays from oblong, also from Japan. All the famous brands to have the machine running stable. And for this machine, it can pack for 100 gram to 5 kilogram with this size of mesh bags. Here show you the last part is for the finished product conveyor for 300 millimeter wide. This device will be put into the one here after sealing and filling. With this device, you don't need to manual collection one by one and have to reduce the labor pressures to save a labor cost. Also, you can use it to connect the next process into the boxes. Above are all the details of the machine. If you are interested in our machine or if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, or you can contact us on our website below. See you next time. Bye bye.